Hey guys, MD95TSI here, and the Drone Network. When I asked you guys, please don't forget to subscribe, ding that bell, and give the videos a thumbs up, or depending on how you feel, a thumbs down. So, 3D printed up some things here. I thought I'd do a little video. But yeah, these are for drone worship. So Dan's got a little project in mind, so let's get that turned up there. So he needed a bell, a thumbs up, and a subscribe button. So there you go, Dan. Hope they help you, brother. So guys, what do we all want everyone to do? Subscribe, ding, like. Alright guys, MD95TSI and the Drone Network signing out.